Look, the fish are frozen into place. OMG!
Not frozen.
Hey, as you can see, I am in my coat headed out the door. The crew is walking up the hallway. We are gonna take my daughter to a zoo. Hopefully it has a petting zoo included. My husband looked everything up this morning, so we're gonna head out. And after that, I hope I can do a bit of shopping at the outlet. I've been wanting to get some more gym gear, which I'm not going to gym, so we're gonna call it workout gear. I also want to look for just some everyday wearable shoes that are also a little bit stylish and comfortable, practical, but stylish. So let's see what we can find and get into this day. It's getting late. It's almost 1 o'clock, so let's run. It might even be 1 o'clock. Let's go. Hi, buddy. Can you imagine if he started to chase me? Hi, cutie. You're so beautiful. Bye-bye. Oh, they're cuddled up. It's cold, y'all. Look, the fish are frozen into place. OMG!
They're not frozen.
Oh, they're moving. Oh, they're moving very, very. Some of them are frozen.
No, they're not.
Look!
They're not moving because they're hibernating.
Look, babe. These three are like zoink.
No, look at me. They're not moving. They're hibernating. They're hibernating at the bottom. See, that's why they're
Okay, they're moving. Never mind.
told you. I told you.
You're right, Dita. Sorry, I should have consulted with the animal creature expert. Come on, sweet baby.
Go at the bottom. Because they usually have to go to the bottom because the water is much warmer due to the Earth's core.
Thank you, Crunch. Well, I guess they told me. It is freezing out here, y'all. And I hope I get all my steps in. Hi, friend. Would you like a snack? He's ignoring me because I don't have a snack. He's hoping they might have some. Babe, we have to get snacks, guys.
Oh, look at the bison, guys.
He's huge.
The orange ones, animal enclosures, are the green ones. Guys, careful, because you know what they do? They bite. Yeah, they bite.
He looks so cool, though. I won't get too close.
So pretty.
Yeah, it's really pretty. That blue, though.
That's him that making the sounds.
Here, get. Here, get. Here, get. Clearly, we're the only adventurous people in town. Huh, Crunch?
At the zoo.
Yipes!
No.
My nose red?
This is nice.
Your nose is a little red.
No, you don't really get it red.
No, close to someone else.
I totally do.
Okay.
Guys, is it cold or hot out?
Cold. Very cold. It's about 28 degrees outside, below freezing.
It is.
We were the only ones in the park. Guess what? There was a mining area, but there's no water running because
It's closed for the season.
Yeah, because the water's gonna freeze. Can we come back in the summer?
Yeah, I would love that. Oh, I would like that.
I like that idea too.
Okay.
So we can feed the animals.
And Crunchy can do what? Do some mining.
Yeah.
Z.
Next.
Grill. That was a good one.
Wait, it's mommy's turn.
I'll take an I. Can't go wrong with a vowel. Well, I don't think Mommy's gonna make it to the outlets, guys. so pretty out here. As you can see, that shopping trip is not happening. I am not trying to drive around in this. It's so pretty though. Now I'm gonna go get toasty with my crew, a movie, or some internet searching, maybe a little editing, maybe some pool, not sure. But I'm gonna go jump out of these clothes. Let it snow.
Hi, what time does the arcade close?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
What time, dear?
Got it! All night. All night.
Layla, you bought the puzzle and Poppy's finishing it. Huh.
Such a nice puppy.
Yeah.
Peach. I don't even have enough light.
Oh, Brave, we gotta get your glasses. I can't wait to get you started on our garden.
My painting glasses.
Look, babe.
Come on, babe.
You're gonna be a fine gardener, growing me veggies and stuff. Look at that attention to detail, the focus, the dedication.
2 minutes later.
Oh, we want our team here. She would have so much fun. You would never get her out of here, Key. We gotta bring her. It's only 2 hours away. So cute.
How are we doing?
You guys are amazing. You guys are doing so well. How's my shirt?
I'm here. Look, Mom. There's a trash can right there. Come here, Mom.
I'm on the catwalk. I have no time.
How does it feel, babe?
Luxurious, like Egyptian
Too
cotton.
distracted.
Does it feel like it's your size?
It feels great. How does it look, guys?
It looks
How does my
awesome.
new shirt look, Didi? I have no time to collect your trash, daughter. I'm on the glamorous catwalk of Paris. Careful.
It's an emergency. Come on, Mom. No, I'm not. Now it's filling the whole bathroom up. What is this whole room?
That's okay. It won't fuck the whole
The
room.
top?
And now it's heading towards the door.
It doesn't sound like it.
This is the worst fun I've ever seen.
They need a plunge. You told them to plunge it, right?
Yeah, I told them the toilet is flowing over like crazy.
Oh my goodness. This is horrible.
I was in the middle of my total maximum chillage.
Maximal.
Like max to the ultimate.
To the ultimate.
Is there an echo or a parrot?
I like the other one.
Let's check out the view and see if it's better. Crunchy, check out the view. Tell me if it's better. Huh?
Cozy.
Okay.
Cozy.
Wait. Say cozy one more time.
Cozy. Cozy.
Can you guys knock it off?
Heading to the arcade.
Yay! It's 11 o'clock.
Guys, we might want to be quiet because it's midnight right now and everybody's sleeping. So, we want to be quiet because everybody's sleeping.
I promised them we'd come to the arcade.
2.
My daughter made me some coffee.
2. What do you need?
Thank you, baby.
For the
I'm so
coffee.
grateful.
Coffee has caffeine in it.
Uh-huh.
That's one. Oh, I was trying to get this.
I'll show you. Oh, that was it, Didi. Don't use all your quarters there, honey.
Right here.
Oh, my love.
Can we get it? I'm gonna see if I can.
How many quarters does it take?
4.
Ooh, that's a whole $1. That's 20% of your stash.
Yeah.
You gonna try it again?
Yep.
Oh, sweet crunch. All
There you
right,
go.
you ready?
Only got 30 seconds. That's it. No, I was so close, man.
You were. That's the thing with these. They're kind of tricky. So.